Click on the link below to get price. The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is a remarkable evolution in the realm of foldable electric bikes, specifically designed for adults seeking both convenience and performance. Weighing significantly less than its predecessor, this model combines portability with a robust feature set, making it a strong contender for daily commutes and leisurely rides. One of the standout features of the XP Lite 2.0 is its lightweight construction, which is incredibly beneficial for users who need to transport their bike. Folding it down is a breeze, allowing for easy stowing in car trunks, small apartments, or public transport. The bike boasts a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum frame that does not compromise on durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of everyday use. In terms of performance, the bike is equipped with a powerful 500W motor that provides ample support, making climbing hills or tackling headwinds less daunting. The 48V battery offers impressive range, allowing riders to travel up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and rider input. This makes it ideal for both short trips and longer adventures. The pedal assist feature provides a natural riding experience, seamlessly blending manual pedaling with electric assistance. Comfort is another area where the XP Lite 2.0 excels. The bike features a well-cushioned seat and adjustable handlebars, ensuring that riders can find their ideal riding position. The inclusion of 20-inch puncture-resistant tires enhances stability and control, giving users confidence on various surfaces. Another noteworthy aspect is the bike's intuitive LCD display, which provides essential information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This allows riders to monitor their performance easily and plan their trips accordingly. Overall, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike impresses with its combination of portability, power, and user-friendly features. It's a compelling choice for anyone looking to embrace a more eco-friendly mode of transportation without sacrificing comfort or performance.